Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not in the store error. So guys, when I install any app on my iPhone, the error will come account not in the store. Your account is not valid for use in the Australian store. You must switch to the US store before purchasing. So guys, what you need to do, so simply tap on the change store. Tap on cancel and tap on your Apple ID in the right corner. So wait for it. Tap on country region. Tap on change country or region. Scroll down and find United States here. Tap on it. Tap on agree. So tap on next. Then tap on back and then tap on done. So wait for it. So tap on done again. Done. And then install any app now. So confirm. Wait for it. So you can see this guys, the app is installing on my iPhone right now. The error has been fixed. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix this account not in the store error issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.